WANLUTECH H20-MOVTADHSEF 8K CCTV Tester, the ultimate PoE and fiber field beast. Ever feel buried under cables, gadgets, and multiple testers just to get a single camera working? Hours vanish as you juggle PoE injectors, fiber modules, and monitors, leaving you frustrated, unfocused, and blocked. What should be a simple installation spirals into wasted time and stress, draining motivation, and making even the easiest CCTV setups feel impossible. The pressure skyrockets when deadlines loom, clients call for urgent updates, and cameras refuse to power or display correctly. Stress builds, mistakes multiply, and burnout creeps in. Every misaligned camera or incompatible device reminds you that relying on separate testers or low-power PoE solutions can cost time, money, and credibility, turning a standard installation into an exhausting obstacle course. Meet the WANLUTECH H20-MOVTADHSEF, the all-in-one 8K IP camera tester that transforms your workflow. With a bright 8-inch 2048 by 1536 IPS touchscreen, it handles IP cameras up to 8K, 32 megapixel, and analog HD formats up to 8 megapixel, including HD, CVI, TVI, SDI, and CVBS. A 90-watt PoE output powers demanding PTZ and multi-sensor cameras directly. Integrated TDR, DMM, OPM, and VFL tools streamline cable fault detection and fiber testing, while dual gigabit SFP ports allow direct optical link verification. HDMI and VGA inputs turn the tester into a compact field monitor. Batch activation and IP configuration simplify camera setup, and built-in network tools handle ping tests, DHCP, and trace routes. One installer shared how this tester saved the day. During a large fiber and copper deployment, the H20 powered all cameras, traced faulty cables instantly, and displayed feeds in real time, cutting the project timeline in half. Durable, portable, and feature-packed, it consolidates every essential tool for ultimate efficiency and precision. The H20-MOVTADHSEF isn't just powerful, it's a productivity machine. Imagine scanning networks, testing IP and analog cameras, verifying fiber, and powering PTZ units, all from a single handheld device. Surveillance experts call it a game-changer for high-power cameras, while industry analysts note its unmatched versatility and fiber support. Influencers rave. The 8-inch touchscreen is crystal clear, menus are intuitive, and the 90-watt PoE is a lifesaver for multi-sensor systems. Professional installers echo this sentiment. TDR and Multimeter tools saved hours tracing faults in long conduits, and SFP ports simplified fiber testing immensely. Users highlight the convenience. One day I'm testing 4K TVI cameras. The next I'm measuring fiber loss with OPM and VFL. HDMI input helps verify recorder outputs. Truly an all-in-one device that's tough and reliable. From batch IP configuration to live video focus, this tester accelerates workflows, reduces mistakes, and ensures installations meet professional standards. Why risk downtime or carry multiple gadgets when WANLUTECH H20 does it all? It's transforming how CCTV pros deploy, troubleshoot, and maintain both IP and analog systems. Fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Stop juggling multiple tools and wasting hours on site. Thousands of technicians already rely on the WANLUTECH H20-MOVTADHSEF to streamline installs, power high-demand cameras, and troubleshoot complex networks with ease. Limited stock means now is the time to act. Secure your all-in-one tester today. Power PoE devices, test cables, verify fiber, and preview video in real time. Don't wait. Join the professionals who've boosted efficiency, reduced errors, and impressed clients with flawless installations. Seize the chance to revolutionize your workflow now.